Welcome to the Now You Know podcast, a podcast that will guide you to successfully navigate the online world and give you, as a super bonus, some thought-provoking takes on life. Without further ado, here is your host, entrepreneur, marketer, professor, and author, Flavio Salza. We are happy to have you here today. Enjoy the show.
Okay, so post series, let's talk about that. So I do this on LinkedIn occasionally. Wait, let me rephrase that. I use it to do that on LinkedIn occasionally. Well, I was banned for life for the second time from LinkedIn.
Like a boss. Oh yes, I keep the bank rolling. Like a boss. Sipping lean, big paper holding. Like a boss.
Anyway, go LinkedIn. Okay, so coming back to the post series, I think it's a very good idea you do post series because, for example, when you have a post which is too big to share as one, you can divide it in parts, and those parts actually make a series of posts, and that might attract different crowd because you can divide those parts in different segments or different topics inside of a big topic. Let me give you an example. I used to do like something like hashtag now you know, and then how to use an iPad like a pro, for example, part 1. And then I would go and explain the technical part of the iPad. How to start it, how to type, how to whatever. Then part 2, I would go maybe something more like a focus or targeting someone who is creative and wants to learn about design and which application to use on iPad that will make logo marks or anything that use drawing, for example. In part 3, I would go in some other direction. So you see, it's the same topic, but the series, each one of them, of these 3 points, might be interest for different audience, right? Different listeners. And that's why it's a good idea to work on those post series because you can arrange the any way you want it, but also can make it a very broad, still the same topic, but a very broad approach for different targets, right? So announcing this series of introductory posts can also be a good idea, actually.
At last. Welcome, Neo. As you no doubt have guessed, I am Morpheus.
And here's why. First, it's let your readers know what is coming next. So it creates some kind of anticipation, And the second part is because make you commitment to finish what you have started or promised, right? And that's very good because you cannot escape it from. After you say, I'm going to do a series of posts, let's say 5 posts about the best things to do in Japan, and you do just one, people are expecting the other 5, right, or the other 10 part of the post. So you are commitment to deliver those last parts, and that might be a good thing if you're a little bit lazy, right? So if you have created your own blog, for example, there is nothing like telling your readers that you be writing a post series around a certain topic to keep you inspired and actually accountable for the assignment. And that's what I did with this guide, right? So I started with a small post, first a series of posts about social media in general, and then the guide becomes the guide, and now it's a podcast.
What a piece of junk.
She'll make 0.5 past light speed. She may not look like much, but she's got it where it counts, kid. I've made a lot of special modifications myself. But we're a little rushed, so if you'll just get on board, we'll get out of here.
All right, so as action, do a brainstorming, create a post series around a theme or a subject that you know well and you want to be perceived as an expert. Remember, moving from where you want to be in the future approach. It's important to craft also an introduction post, generally an announcement, for example, what is coming up on the series, what is coming up next. The posts do not need to be long posts, by the way, but it needs to be well researched, and the theme is the new position that you want to be, right? So you try to focus on that position. Remember, you don't want to do a post series where your data is outdated or your facts are wrong. So avoid that as well. Okay?
Thanks for listening. The Now You Know guidebook is now available at Amazon worldwide. Get your copy on paperback or Kindle. You can also keep up and interact with Flavio Salza via LinkedIn and Twitter. Plus, check back weekly for new episodes. Until next time, keep rocking and loving on what you do.